Welcome to Chitrayan Art Academy. Today I am going to show you how to draw basic part of portrait on pencil shading. Let's start. At first I draw a vertical line at the center of the page. Then it divided into three portions. We make 2 points at the line. Then we repeat the same measurement at the top and at the bottom. We divide it into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Then we draw another horizon line at the second point. And we measure the same measurement. That means this distance and this distance are same. Both has to be same. Now I start. At first we draw a tub. Both sides has to be same. Then you draw the nose top, a round shape. Then you take the half measurement for the nostril. This is our maximum limit. My earnest request to the viewers of my channel, watch this video till end. Don't skip the video. You can follow my drawing step by step. I draw another curved line at the bottom part of the nose. If you are enjoying my work, then please click the like button, subscribe and share my channel and press the bell icon to get regular notification for upcoming video. This is the side part of the nose. This is the top part of the nose. Now we draw the tie portion. It's shaped like a tie. We can make a triangle. The side portion of the nostril touch the triangle and the tip of the tie. Then we draw the level for eyes. This is the space for eyes. We make a parallel level. There is the space for 3 eyes, 1, 2 and 3. This level goes through the nostril. Both measurements are same. The drawing of eyes we divided into 3 parts, 1, 2, 3. Like a roof of the house. Then lower portion is the curved line. After eyes, we draw the eyebrows. Eyebrows start from this point. Eyebrows start from this point and end in this point. There is this curvature. Now I focus on mouth. There is a drawing of open books in between the lips. Then you touch the level which comes through the point of eyes. This line cross the level and go little bit downwards. Then I draw 2 oval shape for lower lips and join to the upper lips. This is my last point. Now I draw a line. This line touch at the end of the level. It helps to draw the chin. Our chin is ready. The basic part of portrait is eye section and nose section and mouth section and last the chins. At last we go to forehead and cheeks also. Today I focus on the basic drawing of the portrait. I finished the structural drawing of the portrait. Now I am going to finalize the drawing. I think I finished my work. My only advice to you, practice every day because practice makes a man perfect. Feel free to tell us which type of painting you need to watch in our channel. Hope you like this video. If yes, then like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Your support will encourage us to produce new variable instructional video. Again, thanking you very much. Keep supporting us. Have a nice day.